Welcome to Aleks. This short video introduces you to your Foundation Math course. It will show you how to get started in Aleks and how to be successful in math and get the best possible results. Once you've been registered by your teacher, you will be asked to do a knowledge check. Now this is not an exam. It's only to see how much math you already know. Aleks will teach you how to enter your answers for each question. Just simply follow the instructions. Eventually you will come to this page. You'll be told to answer 30 questions in the knowledge check. You can use a calculator, and your teacher will give you a formula sheet and a blank piece of paper to work out your answers. When you are ready to start, click on Next. So here's the first question. Work out the answer and write it here. Then click on Next. Now, if you don't know how to answer a question, you can simply click on I don't know, and your teacher will teach you later on in the course. When you've finished your knowledge check, you'll be given your Pi score. This example shows 4 topics have been mastered out of 130 topics. The total number of topics depends on which math course you're studying, Math 1, Math 2 or Math 3. The pie is divided into different subjects that you will study in math. Each piece of the pie is called a slice. Now if you look at one slice, the dark area shows what you already know. The light area shows what you need to learn. And your goal is to learn all the topics in your pie. Aleks will tell you to tap on a pie slice to see what you are ready to learn. So let's tap on decimals, proportion and percent. It's best to start with the topics at the top because they are easier. So let's click on Word Problems on Proportion, Problem Type 2. You will be given a problem to solve. If you know how to find the answer, enter it into the answer box and then click on Next. If you're not sure how to answer the question, you can click on Explain and Aleks will teach you. So this is one way Aleks can help you when you are studying at home and you don't have your teacher to help you. Your teacher may also have put videos in a place called Resources to help you learn on your own. And of course if you're in class, your teacher can help and support you there too. Now we will look at different functions in Aleks that you will use throughout your math course. We will start with the dictionary. When you click on Dictionary, you'll be given a list of words for each subject that you will study. The vocab will help you to understand the question so that you can then calculate the answers correctly. Next, we've already mentioned that videos for each topic can be found in Resources to help you study independently. But if you click on this link, Aleks will list all the extra videos and the materials for each subject that you will study in your pie. If you would like to revise and go over topics you've already done, you can click on the review link. Aleks will list all the topics that you've already mastered, so you can review them before an exam. Finally, all homework, reviews and exams can be found in Assignments. Your teacher will talk to you more about the exams in your class. So to finish this video, I want to show you 2 examples of students' work habits. Student 1. The graph shows the number of hours that student 1 spent in Aleks over 8 weeks. Take a look at the flat line between the 29th of March and the 7th of April. This was a holiday, and the students did no work at all. This is the same student but it's what his or her teacher can see in Aleks. This was the holiday. 0 topics completed. No hours spent in Aleks. This was the time spent in Aleks after the holiday. 0 topics completed. And this was the time spent in Aleks before the final exam. 0 topics completed. Now let's look at student 2. Student 2 was studying in the same class as student 1. There are very few flat lines between the 29th of March and the 7th of April. Look at the work peaks over the holiday. And more interesting is the number of hours spent in Aleks and the number of topics that were completed and finished. This was before the holiday. This was during the holiday. This was after the holiday, and most important of all, before the final exam. So what's the difference between student 1 and student 2? Well, student 1 had a final exam result of 33%, a fail. The student then had to repeat the course from 0. Student 2, however, had a final exam result of 94%. She scored a grade A, and she will now go on to study in her program. Now, which student are you going to be? Thank you.